Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So today's video is going to be a place food restaurant review, you can say, all in one review video. So basically I have been staying in the Rambagh Palace, Jaipur, as you guys know if you have seen my previous vlogs. So I have visited this famous restaurant in the Rambagh Palace, Jaipur, which is known as The Steam. So the uniqueness of this restaurant is basically it is a train themed restaurant which you will not find very often, and I found that restaurant very unique because it's completely like a train. You go inside the compartment, sit and eat your food. Of course I will be showing you guys everything, so stay tuned and watch the video till end. And of course I will be giving you guys a detailed review of the food items which we ordered over there. Basically we had a dinner over there, so we have ordered some food items, and of course I'll show it to you guys and of course give you a review of the place. One more thing, this place is unique because it's not only for the guests. So if you are staying in Jaipur and if you want to visit this place, you can visit this restaurant. It is not only for the guests who are staying in the Rambagh Palace, it's open for all. So this is one more thing which I wanted to mention, but it's only for the dinner. It doesn't open for lunch. And that's it. So today's video is going to be a proper review of that famous restaurant in the Rambagh Palace, Jaipur, which is known as The Steam. So without talking much, let's straight away go and dive into the video.
Guys, this is exactly how the restaurant looks from outside. As you guys can see, it is basically a train themed restaurant. So they have a long train, and there are compartments. You can go inside the compartment, sit and eat your food, and if you want you can sit outside also. There are chairs kept. So this is basically something very unique over here. Let me take you guys to one of the compartments. So as you guys can see, there's a big sofa over here. If you come with a lot of people, you can take this compartment. But there are other compartments as well where there is a normal table and 4 chairs and sitting area like that. So we sat in one of those compartments in the night. So I'll give you guys a look of that compartment as well later. If you want, you can sit outside also. As I said, they have a sitting area outside like this. This was India's first bar, and this Steam is originally from Britain. The Maharaja got it, and it's still there, and of course you'll see it in the clip, so it's very interesting. And let's see what all we order, so stay tuned. Let me show you guys the menu first. You guys have a look. I'll just give you guys a quick view of the menu card they have over there. They have a few options in veg and non-veg both. Not a lot of options, but a good amount of options from where you can select your food item. Now let me show you guys the compartment where we were sitting that night. We ordered for some oat coated fish finger which came with a tartar sauce. It was really tasty, and if you like fish, you guys should definitely go for it. Overall, if you ask me, it was crunchy from outside and soft from inside. So you guys can definitely have this yummy fish if you're visiting this restaurant. We ordered for some pizza as well. Guys, if you're visiting this place, you have to order the pizzas. They have veg and non-veg options, so you can select your own toppings, and you can go for veg or non-veg and add your toppings accordingly, like according to your taste. So we ordered for chicken pizza with several other toppings, and the pizza is completely love, guys. If you love pizzas, you're gonna love it. And even if you're not a pizza fan, I would still recommend you guys, if you're visiting this restaurant, do try out their pizzas. It's actually out of the world. So I am sitting inside one of the compartments, and it's actually giving me a train feeling. So we are having a dessert right now. For dessert, we ordered for a ice cream. Basically, we did not order. It was very sweet of the person serving us. He gave us complimentary, like this particular flavored ice cream. So guys, let me tell you, we usually know there's vanilla ice cream and then chocolate ice cream, but have you ever heard of masala chai flavored ice cream? Yes. So over there, this is their unique and what do I say, their product, like they make it over there. It's basically masala chai flavored ice cream. So if you love masala chai in general, you're gonna love this flavor. It was really very tasty and something which I've never tried before in my life. So I really enjoyed having the masala chai flavored ice cream. It is surely a must try thing. Next, we ordered for Bull's Eye, which is basically brownie topped with ice cream and chocolate sauce. It was equally very tasty, and we really enjoyed having it. Though we were very full, still we managed to finish the dessert because it was so tasty. So you can, if you like brownie and chocolatey kind of thing, you guys can definitely order and go for the Bull's Eye.
So that was it, guys. I hope you have liked this video. Overall, we had a nice time over there. The pizzas were so yummy. If you are visiting this place, do order their pizzas. The pizzas are really tasty and yummy. And I would definitely tell you guys to visit this place if you are visiting Jaipur, because it's something unique, and you don't see such kind of restaurants very often. So yes, if you want good food and good place to eat your dinner, you know where to go right now. And do share this video with your friends and family, because if any of them are planning to visit Jaipur next, they know where to visit if they want some yummy food and some good cafe where they can click good pictures. So that was it for today. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, because giving a thumbs up to my video would really mean a lot to me. Share it with your friends and family. Comment down below how did you like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. And also guys, press the bell icon, because if you press the bell icon, you will know whenever I'll upload a new video. And as I always say, stay happy, be kind, and keep smiling. We'll meet you super soon with my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.